This is the tray with mince, vegetables, spices, and recipe. It goes in oven. This is ready-made recipe. This is also another kind of thing, but the inside it's a meat, garlic, and these are fat of lamb, topping with tomato sauces. This one is also packed on. This is traditional in Turkey. They have these ready-made items. Whenever you need it, you can see garlic, and when it comes out from the clay oven, it looks so yummy. In the next video, I will share you the results. Call it Ferin Ağzı. This is
Geçmeye çalışıyoruz. Yalan yani.
lamb.
İşlerle alakalı. Abi geçti. Fatih abim gibi nerede?
The whole meat soaked in. This way they place chilies, spices, tomatoes, onions, and then they mix it and make a ready-made recipe for their customers. We also have eggs.
Böyle bir olay. Şimdi ben muhasebeci bana soruyor biri.
See the
Ben sana
clean
soruyorum,
beef.
sen ötekine soruyorsun, öteki soruyor. En son sorulan beni arıyor. Abi ben onu arıyorum diyor.